Hello everyone and welcome back to another ScoreCEO tutorial video. My name is Jasmine, your ScoreCEO expert, and on today's training video we are going to be learning how you can export invoices from ScoreCEO. So now let's start by navigating to the invoice section, and you can do that by using the left side panel that we see here and going all the way down to our invoices. Here in the invoices, it will be broken down into two sections. So you would see your consumer invoices and then your invoices. So you would have that there, but you would have listed below all the invoices with the invoice, the customer's name, invoice numbers, the amounts, any salesperson or sale type that's assigned to them, and the dates and payment dates if applied, okay, and the status from it. So now that we've gone over that, I'm going to go over the filters and how you can select specific dates to export those invoices. So what I'm going to do is I want to see the invoices maybe from this last year. So if you wanted to do that, and again, these dates you're going to adjust it to the period of time in which you want the invoices for. But I'm going to go all the way back to January of this year and to maybe the last month of September. And then I'm going to go ahead and click search. Here it's going to show me all the invoices that would apply for that particular year. Now what you can do is you can export it from right there. We can click this export invoices. All we have to do is just click this button. We click export invoices. That'll go ahead and download a CSV file for us. As you can see here, I just opened it up and it will give us the details: invoice date, the due date, the customer, and the last four of the social, the invoice type, invoice number, and then the total amount, the invoice total, okay, and the salesperson if it's applicable. So there we will be able to, let me not save this. There we'll be able to export the invoices. Now, if we are wanting to export the payments, you can also do the same thing. Just use the export payment button and it will download a spreadsheet, and the same thing, it will open up and it will show you the same thing, the dates, customer, social, amounts, the transaction number if it's applicable, the type of sale, and the invoice number. And these would be all that are payments that were collected. Now, good tips on managing this and exporting is if you run if you use QuickBooks, you can integrate it inside of ScoreCEO, and you can have it so it can automatically add this information to your QuickBooks. So if you want to do that, check out our webinar on Zapier integration with QuickBooks, and you'll be able to see all the steps that you need to do to connect that service with your ScoreCEO portal. But if you are doing it manually, the best practice would be, on a weekly basis or maybe on a monthly basis, depending on your volume of invoices, use this export feature to import then afterwards those invoices and also export the payments. So basically that covers how you can export invoices from ScoreCEO. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. You may also click the little chat box that is located at the bottom of your portal or inside of our ScoreCEO.com website, and our team will be happy to assist you. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our videos. And it was nice seeing you in this one, and see you in the next one.